This is the brief on OptimusGavin's path to a $1 billion AI native ecosystem. You see, OptimusGavin, or OG, is completely ditching that sluggish traditional IT consulting model for an automated 7-platform digital ecosystem designed to scale exponentially without just adding more headcount. First, to solve that crazy 9 to 18-month sales cycle, they capture clients super fast using a tool called Glassbox. Built on eBPF technology, it passively mines system data without touching any actual code, which is basically a non-invasive X-ray for enterprise efficiency. I mean, why wait a year for a slide deck when you can prove exactly where money is bleeding away in just 30 days? Second, securing all that client data means they enforce a strict rule called absolute sovereignty. To handle this safely, OG trades coding comfort for bulletproof infrastructure, using a 7-pillar setup that mixes high-performance languages like Rust and Go. Crucially, they allow 0 shared databases across these pillars, which is literally like watertight compartments on a submarine. If a public portal fails, your core AI or financial data remains completely isolated. Finally, to make this secure setup highly profitable, they scale using an AI talent engine called TAPVORX. Because hiring elite talent in major cities absolutely kills profit margins, this engine autonomously maps skill gaps and triggers training for engineers in regional Indian cities like Adoni and Kurnool. This real game changer drops operational expenses by a massive 60%, meaning OG isn't just scaling software, they're literally manufacturing their own decentralized workforce. By merging this isolated, military-grade tech with a self-upskilling regional workforce, OptimusGavin is engineering mathematically guaranteed scale.